Today I'm going to demonstrate how Swimage can be used to protect a system against malware or ransomware. What we have here is a PC that is fully built. It has data, settings, all applications installed. And what we're going to do is we want to protect the system against ransomware, and Swimage is going to do that for you. What I'm going to show is the system is fully protected with data. It has pictures, it has settings. I'll go into documents, and we will see that it has some files in here that's very important to the system. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to execute a program that was downloaded. It's a sample application, but it simulates ransomware. So what we do when we execute this is it goes in and runs, kills everything, keeps the system alive, but it goes in the back end and encrypts all your data. So this is a major problem for the system. Now what I do is go in and show you in my pictures we have all encrypted data. None of these files are readable. Unless you pay your amount in Bitcoin, you cannot get into them. I'm going to go to my Eagles tickets. This is a very important file. We have a lot of important files, but this is one I'm interested in right now. And we can see that it is no longer readable. So there's real cost associated to getting your data encrypted. So it becomes pretty dire to get this information back. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the Swimage Assist tool. And this is the client-side utility to do this. This can also be done from the portal remotely. I can show that in a different video. But for right now, we're going to go into the ransomware recovery tool. This is Swimage Recovery. We're going to go to maintenance. Well, let me go to recovery first, and let's show you a little bit about some of the things it can do. You can do rapid recovery. We can restore the entire PC, and we can go from a backup from a previous state, which we've done on a schedule. For this one, I'm going to go into the data here, and I'm going to actually, let me open up the pictures so I can show you real time. But I'm actually going to go in and show you this restore. So I'll restore this. Give you a warning, it's going to restore all your data back to its previous state. So it's going to be pre-ransomware state. And we'll see real time that it actually goes through and restores all of your data very, very rapidly. Okay, so now we have all our pictures back, which looks great. So restores there. And I'm going to go back in here and show you the documents real quick and show you my Eagles tickets. And voila, there we have all of our information back that quickly. Now that shows how quickly Swimage can recover from ransomware if you do data only. However, we don't know what this virus might have done. It might have infected other systems, so I'm going to reinfect it and demonstrate a full redeployment of this machine. So we're going to redeploy everything. What this is going to do is put this machine back to its completely refreshed state. It's going to rebuild the operating system, it's going to reinstall all your applications, and restore your data from the previous state. Okay, so let's go back into the Swimage tool and go back where we were located with the recover PC, and then we'll show rapid recovery is turned on. We'll set that. We want to rebuild the entire computer, so it's going to rebuild everything, and then we're going to do a point-in-time recovery and do a deployment. Without a point-in-time recovery, it recovers the current state. That's if you have just simple malware, not ransomware, or you just want to refresh your machine, get rid of bloatware, whatever. It can do that. But there it is. I started going. It gives you the opportunity to reschedule. If this were pushed out through the portal, you can do this remotely. You can hit the reschedule button. You can also turn that off if you need to. I'm going to speed this up and hit begin now. And it's going to begin the process. In the meantime, I will go ahead and speed it up a little bit to save a little bit of time. Keep in mind this takes roughly around 15 to 30 minutes in total. It goes through an entire lock process, and I'll describe it while it's running. It will reboot to PE. It will wipe your hard drive. It does a full disk snapshot of everything on there, so if you want to take it offline for forensics, you can do that. It then drops your WIM. It updates all your settings. It migrates all your trusts. It goes through a little mini out-of-box experience and configures the system. And then it injects all your drivers, reinstalls all your customizations, reinstalls your configuration, gets all your applications reinstalled, and then once it's done with that, it migrates your trust in your domain, locks the system down, and when it's done, it is restarts and you're ready to log back in. All right. Now we're going to log back in here. We're back to normal. I'll turn on the normal speed. I'll log back in as my normal user, Bilbo Baggins. Go ahead and log into the system. And the nice thing about this is it is login ready. It doesn't have to wait for any additional things to download. It doesn't have to wait for technician, and the users don't have to go in and reconfigure because everything has already been configured automatically. So there we are logged in. I'll go ahead and show you a little bit of what we have on the system. It should look almost identical, with the exception you have no traces of any malware, bloatware, anything on the system because it's a fresh rebuild. You have all your pictures. There's my documents. This looks great. And that's the demonstration of a full end-to-end recovery with ransomware as it rebuilds the entire system.